Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the right. This one will change by dy over dx. So this one I will put on the left, ds I will put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we concentrate on this one. So I will need to multiply by e to the power of y on numerator and denominator. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of y. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. This one, because we have number 2, so in this situation we have u square. This one will change by du. The integration of this one, we have octane of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about e to the power of y, and I will put about c. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This one, that is about s, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.